we're going to be drawing this wheel assembly. And what I'm looking for, I'm going to create this drawing first. This is a multi-view drawing. This is the plan view of the wheel assembly. This is the side view. When I say wheel assembly, that's what I'm calling it. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like a hub to me, and that may be what it is. So we'll call it a wheel hub or a wheel assembly. So I'm looking at radius. I'm looking at my numbers, radius 11, radius 6. Here, that's all of these. I'm looking at a radius of 50 here, a radius of 28 here, radius of 32, radius of 31, and so forth. So I see how I'm going to draw this. I'm going to create my radius circles first, then find these two, and then polar array these. And then I'm going to find this and polar array that. And then I'll draw this last. So, create drawing. Check object snaps first. I want all boxes checked for now. Check my units. Okay, set good. Check my ortho mode on. So I'm going to get a radius command. I'm going to start with radius 50. Oops, where did it go? There it is. Okay, so I'm going to type my UCS, no origin. I want to get this out of the way. I want to change this to a center line. I want to make my center line spacing a little bigger, so I'm going to go in and change the properties. Line type scale. I'm going to change that to 5. That looks good. Looks better. Okay, so I'm going to draw I'm going to go ahead and draw a radius 6 and a radius 11 right here at the top. Radius 11, radius 6. I'm going to go ahead and polar array this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Find polar array. I want to come to the center of the circle. Change my item number to 8. Hit enter. Now I'm going to explode command. Now I'm going to come between there and I'm going to do a radius 11, 10, 10 radius. Between here and here, 11. I'm going to trim this. TR, enter, enter. Trim. I'm going to now polar array this. Eight times. Now I'm going to explode this. I'm going to trim. All of this. Okay. Now I'm going to come in here and draw a radius 28, radius 32, and a radius 31 circle. So, radius 28. Radius 31. Radius 32. Now I'm going to come up 25 from this 25, and I'm going to draw a radius 6 and 5 circle right here. Radius 6, radius 5. Now I'm going to I think I'll go ahead and polar array these right here. Change the item number to 3. Explode. And then I'm going to tan radius 2. Repeat tan radius 2. Tan. Let's stop right there. Let's trim this out. I'm going to take this. I'm going to polar array this. Since it's on a repeating pattern, I can do this. I just need to remember the item number is 3. Hit enter. Now I need to explode command. And now I can trim. Now that is complete. What I want to do, I can add a few dimensions. I'll let you do that. Now, in order to, I'm going to create a vertical line so that I can create my orthographic projection. And